Change of voice. Let us now understand about the rules for changing into passive voice. Rule 1. The object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice, and the subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. For example, in the active voice, the sentence is, "My mother cooks the food." Here, mother is the subject and cooks is the verb. Food is the object of the sentence. In the passive voice, the sentence becomes, "The food is cooked by my mother." Here, food becomes the subject of the sentence and mother becomes the object of the sentence. Rule 2. The main verb is changed into the past participle, the third form of the verb and an appropriate form of the helping verb according to the tense of the sentence is used. Note in the above example, the main verb cooks in the active voice has changed into is cooked in the passive voice, which is in past participle form. We will be discussing more about this rule in the further modules. Rule 3. The subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice, and the word by is generally placed before the object. As in the above example, mother, which was the subject of the sentence in the active voice, has been changed into the object in the passive voice. Similarly, food, which was the object of the sentence in the active voice, has been converted to subject in the passive voice. Note, we have placed by before the object mother in the passive voice. In order to convert from active to passive voice, we use two types of constructions. Construction 1. By plus agent. This construction is used only when the agent is definite and important. Note, agent is nothing but the subject of the sentence in the active voice. For example, Mohan reads a poem. In passive voice, this sentence becomes, "A poem is read by Mohan." Note, here the agent, which is Mohan, is definite, hence in the passive voice, we are using the construction by plus agent. Construction 2. Without by plus agent, where by plus agent is not used when the agent is vague. Let us see this sentence. 1. Someone broke the window. In passive voice, this sentence becomes, "The window was broken." Note, in this sentence, the subject of the sentence is vague, as someone is not definite but a vague reference to somebody. Hence, the construction by plus agent has been omitted here. Note, while changing active to passive voice, the nominative case of the pronoun is changed into the objective case. For example, he changes to him, she changes to her, I changes to me, we changes to us, they changes to them, you remains the same as you, it remains the same as it. Another important point to note is that if a transitive verb has two objects, either of them may be made the subject in the passive voice and the other remains unchanged. For example, she gave me a pen. Here, We have two objects, me and pen. The passive form of the sentence will become, I was given a pen by her, or a pen was given to me by her.